guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a updo hairstyle, guys, with this Afro kinky bulk hair, or I don't know what you call it. I think it's the Afro kinky bulk. So as you can see, my hair is in a ponytail. With this bun over my ponytail like this. Ooh, look I have. Don't mind if the bun is not nice and neat, you all, because it's gonna be covered with the Afro twist. So I'll just use a bobby pin, just put it over the hair and just secure it under the bun like this. And I'll go ahead and just twist the hair like this. And I'll be doing the same thing to all the pieces of hair I'll be inserted under the bun.
Stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild, let your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smile, 'cause baby, I love your it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try, even try. You don't have to change, 'cause baby.
Now I'll take the end of the twist and just insert it inside of the bun. I'll tuck the ends of all of the twists inside of the bun. And for a tighter hold, I'm just going in with some bobby pins to make sure it is nicely tucked on the inside.
Love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try, for real. Perfect as you are. You don't have to change. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl in her eyes. Take me honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines. Fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun.
This is the finished look, you all, and this can be rocked for just a simple everyday wear or going to work. But if you want to go for a little hedge like a wedding or something, you just go ahead and just add some hair jewelry so the hair can pop a little, you all.
She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment.
Adding the hair jewelry gives the hair the added pop, you all, which makes the hair now suitable for a wedding or some other formal occasion. For a bridesmaid or a bride, this would be a ideal hairstyle. This hairstyle could or can be created without using extension, you all. My hair is not long enough, guys, so that's why I go in with the extension and show you guys a way you can create hairstyle with your natural hair. I could barely find enough hair to cover the little donuts to make the bun. So if you have long hair, guys, all you have to do is just put a section of the hair in the middle and put the donut over and make the bun, and then you go in and just twist your natural hair around the perimeter of that bun in the middle and attach the twist to the bun in the middle. And guys, this is how the hair is looking in the natural light, so the camera didn't do justice to how the hair is looking, you all. I'll leave the link to this hair in the description down below. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you.